Good morning, everyone. Today I will present the social media marketing plan for my startup called FocusPod. FocusPod provides private soundproof study pods that students can book through a mobile application. The business idea was developed in my business planning module. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how social media can help FocusPod build brand awareness, attract customer, and create a long-term engagement during the early stage of the business. Moving on to the next slide. Slide 2, business overview. FocusPod solves one main problem. Many university students cannot find a quiet place to study, especially during exam periods. Libraries become overcrowded, and students living in shared accommodation often experience distractions. FocusPod offer small soundproof study pods located near universities. Students can easily book through a mobile app and pay only for the hours they need. The service provides Wi-Fi, charging facilities, and comfortable lighting. Because the business targets students, social media will be one of the most cost effective ways to create awareness and generate bookings. Moving on to the next slide, slide number 3, we have social media objectives. These objectives follow the SMART framework because they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. The first objective is to increase brand awareness to 50,000 students because FocusPod is a new startup. The second objective we have is a consumer acquisition around by encouraging around 1,000 students to download the booking app. And the third objective is at least 8% engagement because social media is not only about gaining followers but also encouraging interaction that builds trust and loyalty. Moving on to slide number 4. Target audience. The primary target market is university students because they experience the greatest need for quiet study spaces. The secondary audience includes freelancer and remote learners who also require distraction-free environments. This segment follows Kotler 2022, who explained that effective marketing begins by identifying consumers and customers with similar needs and behavior. Moving on to the next slide, customer customer moving on to slide number 5, customer personas. Creating customer personas helps business understand customer behavior rather than treating everyone as the same. Sarah represents undergraduate students who spend significant time on TikTok and Instagram. John represents postgraduate students and part-time workers who have busy schedules and value convenience. These persons help FocusPod design content that matches different customer needs. Moving on to the next slide. As we're moving on to the next slide, we have branding, message, and brand strategy. Our main branding message is study without distraction. Main brand values are focus, productivity, convenience, comfort, and student success. FocusPod is not only selling study spaces, it is selling improved concentration, reduced stress, and better academic performance. According to Keller's customer-based brand equity model, successful brands create emotional associations that lead to customer loyalty. Our branding strategy focuses on helping students achieve their academic goals rather than only advertising physical facilities. Moving on to the seventh slide, we have marketing theory number one. Marketing theory number one by Keller's model. Keller's customer-based brand equity model explains how brand develop strong customer relationship. Initially, social media increase awareness. After awareness, students understand the value and meaning of focus board. Positive experiences then create trust, which eventually encourages repeat bookings and recommendations. This makes Keller's model highly suitable for a startup business. We will do this by consistent branding, student testimonials, user generate content, and repeat bookings. Moving on to the slide number 8, we have marketing theory number 2 by AIDA model. The second theory is the AIDA model. Short video first attract attention, educational content creates interest, testimonials increase desire by showing real student experiences. Finally, strong call to actions encourage students to download the app and book a study port. The AIDA model helps convert social media followers into paying customers. Moving on to the next slide, we have selected social media platforms. I selected Instagram and TikTok because they are the platforms most frequently used by university students. Instagram allows us to us to post professional image, stories, and reel. TikTok provides opportunity of viral content using challenges and trends. Compared with Facebook, these platforms offer high engagement among our target audience. Moving on to the next slide, we have content strategy. Content should educate, entertain, and encourage interaction. Video generally achieve the highest engagement on Instagram and TikTok. User generated content is especially valuable because it increases authenticity and trust. Interactive stories and polls also encourage students to participate rather than simply viewing content. Our strategy is basically weak content strategy with each day different content as shown in this slide. The content mix includes video, images, reels, stories, polls, and student reviews. Moving on to the next slide, we have slide number 11, social media analytics. Analytics. Analytics are very essential because they show whether the strategy is achieving its objective. Instagram Insights and TikTok's analytics measure engagement and audience growth. Google Analytics monitors website traffic and app downloads. The most important KPI is conversion rate because it measures how many social media users actually become customers. Other KPI includes reach, impressions, follow growth, engagement rate, click-through rate, app downloads, and bookings. Moving on to our last and final slide of conclusion. Concluding this pitch, social media will play a major role in the success of FocusPod during its early stages. The strategy combines clear objectives, a well-defined target audience, strong branding, suitable social media platforms, and measurable analytics. Instead of focusing only on gaining followers, the plan aims to build long-term customer relationship and encourage repeat bookings. Thank you for listening. Thank you.